Here's how you should change the headlight bulb from low and high beam to Skoda Octavia 1 Tour, 2003 to 2009, in just 6 easy steps. 1. Lift the hood and remove the cover from behind the headlight. You can change the headlight bulb with the headlight mounted on the car. We removed it only to see better behind the headlight. Remove the clip that holds the cover fixed to the headlight and then remove the cover. Two. Disconnect the plug from the bulb. Three. Remove the fuse by pressing inwards and then sideways. Four. Remove the bulb externally and replace it with a new one. Skoda Octavia 1 Tour uses an H4 bulb for low and high beam, which you can find it below in the video description. Five. Put the clip back in place and plug the cables back in. Six. Put the cover back in place. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.